Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, I hope that you are quite well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. I also hope that you are going on well with your studies, keeping in good health. Today, I am welcoming the students of class 8 in my live class on behalf of the Prabhati Ucchu Vidyaniketan. Dear students, in my last class, I taught you transformation from assertive to exclamatory. In today's class, I am also going to teach you transformation based on particular rules and regulation. Before going to the discussion of my main class, I would like to make it clear about one single word, that is only. Now, let's start our lesson. Dear students, now I am going to teach you how to transform an affirmative sentence into negative one. So here, the very word only is most important. There are three rules or three ways of changing an affirmative sentence into negative one, including only. However, number one, when you will see the very word only in an affirmative sentence, and that word, that means only, will indicate a person, then instead of only or in place of only, you will have to use the two words none but. I can give you one example. Only Allah can help you. Again, I am telling you, only Allah can help you. Here, Allah personifies. That means Allah indicates a person. So, here instead of only, you will have to set up none but to make this sentence negative. So, only Allah can help you. If you want to transform this affirmative sentence into negative, you will have to omit or out only, and in place of only, you will have to write down none but. That means the negative sentence will be none but Allah can help you. That means only Allah can help you within bracket negative. Then the negative sentence will be none but Allah can help you. So here, in place of only or instead of the word only, we have used none but, because here only indicates a person. Next, sometimes the very word only indicates a thing, such as only this machine can do this. Only this machine can do this. Here only indicates this machine. Here this machine is a thing. So if you want to transform this sentence into negative, so instead of only, in place of only, you will have to set up nothing but. That means the negative sentence will be only this machine can do this, nothing but this machine can do this. In this way, you can make it negative. Third one, number 3, only sometimes indicates the age of somebody or someone. When only indicates the age of somebody or someone, then you will have to make it negative by using not more than in place of only. Suppose Samira is only 13. Here 13 means 13 years old. So here 13 indicates the age of Samira. So in place of only, you will have to set up not more than. That means the negative sentence will be Samira is not more than 13. Okay, dear students, let's learn this lesson. I want to make this lesson more clear or clearer to you all, and that's why I want to go to the board with you. Let's go to the board, please. Look at the board, students. Here I have written at the top of the board transformation. Here affirmative AFFIR dot that means in short affirmative. Here neg dot, that means negative. If you can see in an affirmative sentence only, and if only indicates a person, then in place of only you will have to use none but. You can look at the example. Only you can do it. Again I am telling the sentence, only you can do it. Here only indicates the underlined word you. Here only indicates the underlined word you. You is a person. So here only indicates a person. So if you want to make it negative, you will have to use none but in place of only. That means if you want to make this sentence or transform this sentence into a negative sentence or negative one, then you will have to omit this very word only, and in place of only you will have to use none but. Look at the sentence 1. Only you can do it. You will have to make it negative, and here look at sentence number 1. None but you can do it. None but you can do it. Here look at the sentence, only you can do it. Here in place of only, just I have written none but. Then you can do it, you can do it has been the same or is all the same here. So it has been made negative in this way. Just in place of only we have used none but, because here only indicates you. You is a person. So if only indicates a person, then and if you want to make such a sentence into negative one, then in place of only or instead of only you will have to use none but. So the negative sentence of only you can do it, none but you can do it. Now let's come to the second sentence. In the second sentence or second stage or step, we can see only, arrow, nothing but. In place of only, sometimes we use nothing but to make it negative. When if only indicates a thing. Now look at the sentence. Only it can do this. Only it can do this. Here only indicates the very word it. It is a thing. It is not a person. That's why here only indicates a thing, that means it. That's why if you want to make this sentence or transform this sentence into negative, you will have to write down nothing but in place of only. That means you will have to omit this word only, and in place of only you will have to use nothing but. So the negative sentence will be nothing but it can do this. Again I am telling you, it is an affirmative sentence. Only it can do this. You will have to make it negative. The negative sentence will be nothing but it can do this. It can do this remains the same here. It can do this. But instead of only, just we have written here nothing but. Why nothing but? Because here only indicates a thing. It. It indicates a thing. It is not a person. So in place of only or instead of only, I have written here nothing but. Number 3, look at the sentence. Only, not more than. When instead of only you will have to use not more than. When only indicates is or old. Look at the sentence. Rita is only 13. Here 13 means 13 years old. Rita is only 13. Here 13 means 13 years old. So here only indicates 13, and 13 indicates the age of Rita. So here only indicates age. When only indicates age and you want to make such a sentence into negative, then instead of only you will have to use not more than, these 3 words. Not more than. So to make this sentence negative, you will have to use not more than. Now again I am telling you, Rita is only 13. Here only indicates 13. 13 is the age of Rita. That means here in this sentence only indicates the age of Rita. When the very word only indicates the age of somebody or someone, then to make it into a negative sentence, in place of only, instead of only, you will have to use not more than. That's why I have written here, look at the sentence. Look at the sentence. Here I have written you, but here should be Rita. Rita is. Now dear students, look at here, Rita is. In this sentence, Rita is. Instead of only, I have written not more than. Next 13 will be the same or has been the same. So here only indicates 13, and 13, that means 13 years old. Only indicates the age or old of someone or somebody. So when only will indicate the age of somebody or someone, then if you want to make that sentence or transform that sentence into negative, you will have to use not more than instead of only. So here I have written Rita is only 13, Rita is only 13, you will have to make it negative. So I have written here Rita is instead of only, not more than, next 13 will be the same. So Rita is only 13, the negative of which is Rita is not more than 13. Thank you so much, dear students. In this way, we can see that there are three kinds of uses of the very word only. When only indicates a person, then instead of only or in place of only, you will have to use or write down non-word to make it negative. In the second stage, we have seen that when only indicates a thing, then you will have to set up or write down nothing but to make the sentence into negative. In the third stage or third sentence, we have already seen that when only indicates the age or old of somebody or someone, then instead of the word only, we have used not more than to make it negative. In this way, I am trying, or I have tried my best to make it clear, to make the sentences, affirmative sentences, including only, into negative by using none but, nothing but, and not more than. Dear students, now let's start another lesson. Dear students, you have heard this type of sentence many times in the classroom, like everybody likes flowers, everyone wishes to be happy. In this way, everybody, everyone, every man, every student, every boy, every girl, every student should study well. Everybody likes flower. You have heard this type of sentence many times so far, as I think. So, such a sentence or such an affirmative sentence where we can see the very word every. How can we make this type of sentence into negative one? That you will see in the board next or now. Dear students, look at the board. every dear students, I have written here every, next dash, it is dash, that means a gap, next plus, next but according to the rules, next plus rest part of the sentence. Again I am telling you, dear students, in this way I will make an affirmative sentence. Every plus dash or gap plus but plus rest part of the sentence. Following this rule, we have made an affirmative sentence into -1, or we will make an affirmative sentence into -1. At first, I am writing an affirmative sentence using the very word every. Every body likes, everybody likes flowers. Everybody likes flowers. Here we can see the very word every. Dear students, one thing should be remembered. One thing must be remembered. When you will see this type of sentence, you must use a phrase, there is no, instead of every. That means you cannot write down the word every. In place of every, instead of every, you must write down there is no. So here we can see every. When we will make this sentence into -1, when you will make this sentence into -1, you will have to use there is no instead of the word every. Next, in the gap, body. That means body will be added with no. So it will be there is no body. Look at the sentence please. Instead of every, I am writing there is no. Next, in the dash, body. In the dash, here we can see, just after every we can see body. So in the dash we will have to write down body. That means we will have to add this body with the very syllable no. That means no plus body. So in place of every, I have write down there is no. Instead of every, I have written down or written down there is no, this very phrase, just in place of or instead of every. Next, I have write down the rest part of the word, that is body. So body has been added to no. So instead of everybody, I have write down there is nobody. Just instead of every, I have written down there is no, and next with no I have added body, this part. Next, but. It is the rule. There is no body, but. There is nobody but. Next, the rest part. The rest part of the sentence. Rest part of the sentence. What is the rest part? Likes flower. This is the rest part of the sentence. So dear students, everybody likes flowers. Everybody likes flowers. Make it negative, and we have already made the sentence into negative. There is nobody but likes flowers. So whenever you will see every in an affirmative sentence, you will have to use the very phrase there is no instead of the word every. Next, if there is something or a syllable or something or a noun or a pronoun, just a noun after every, you will have to write down that noun in the gap. Next, but. This but will be said according to the rules. After writing but, you will have to write down the rest part of the sentence. In this way, you can make this type of sentence into negative. I can give you more example to make it understand clearly. Every flower has thorns. Make it negative. Dear students, look at the sentence. I have written another affirmative sentence. Every flower has thorns. Every flower has thorns. Or every rose has thorns. Here we can see the very word every. You will have to make this sentence or transform this sentence negative one or into negative. That's why in place of every, instead of every, you will have to write down there is no. Next, noun, in the dash you will have to write down flower. There is no flower. Next, according to the rule, but. There is no flower but. Next, rest part of the sentence has thorns. So in this way, you can make this sentence into negative. So the negative of this very sentence, every flower has thorns. What will be the negative one of this sentence? In place of every, you will have to write down there is no. There is no. Next, flower. There is no flower. Next, according to the rule, but. Next, rest part has thorn. Okay, dear students, I am again making you understand. Every flower has thorns. Every flower has thorns. Make it negative. Instead of every, I have used here there is no. There is no instead of every. Next, flower, I have write down flower. Next, according to the rule, but. I have written down here but. Next, rest part of the sentence. Rest part of the sentence, I have write down has thorns. In this way, I have written down, or I have written, or I have transformed this affirmative sentence into negative in this way. First of all, instead of every, I have written here there is no. Next, after every flower, there is no flower. Next, according to the rule, but, there is no flower but. Next, rest part of the sentence has thorns. It is the rest part of the sentence. So has thorns has been written exactly without any change. So the negative sentence of the affirmative sentence, every flower has thorns, has become there is no flower but has thorns. Dear students, I can give you another example to make it more to make it clearer or to make it legible or easy to you. Every mother loves her child. Negative. Every mother loves her child. Dear students, here in this sentence, we can also see the very word every. So, in place of every, to make it negative, I must write down, or you must write down, there is no. After there is no, you should write down mother. Next, according to the rule, you will have to write down but just after mother. Next, rest part of the sentence. So, I am underlining the words every, mother. Next, rest part. Now, in place of every, I am writing there is no. There is no. Next, mother. In place of or instead of every, I have written there is no. Next, mother. There is no mother. Next, according to the rule, but. There is no mother but. Next, rest part of the sentence, loves her child. Loves her child. In this way, I have made the affirmative sentence into negative. Every mother loves her child. It's an affirmative sentence, and I have made or transformed this affirmative sentence into negative using the rules. Instead of every, I have written here, or I have written here, there is no. Just there is no, it has been written. This phrase has been written, or these three words or phrase has been written just instead of every or in lieu of every. I have written there is no. Next, after every, we can see mother. So, after there is no, we have written here mother. Next, according to the rule, bird. And next, rest part of the sentence. Here, the rest part of the sentence, loves her child. So, every mother loves her child. It has been negative in this way. There is no mother but loves her child. Thank you so much, dear students. I hope that you can understand this today's lesson clearly. In the next class, I will teach you, inshallah, some other topic or the same topic, some other kind of transformation based on different kinds of rules. Dear students, I hope that you are able to understand today's class very clearly. One thing should be remembered, that grammar learning completely depends on proper learning and proper practice. So, I suggest you, I am advising you to practice more and more this type of items at home. If you practice regularly this type of grammatical items, it will be easy to you. One thing should be remembered, that practice makes a man perfect. If you don't practice this type of grammar regularly, you will forget everything. Grammar is more interesting when it will be practiced more. Otherwise, it will be a burden. Grammar will be a burden, and it will be a matter of dissatisfaction to you. Grammar will be a matter of sadness to you. So, I am again suggesting you and advising you to practice grammar more and more. And when you will practice grammar more and more, it will be easy to you. Then you will find joy and pleasure in learning English grammar. Thank you so much. No more today. Allah Hafiz. Wishing you good health and good luck and a good life. I am bidding farewell to you. paying salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.